I am from Ibagué, and most of my life I have lived there. I like it because it is quiet and it is still more or less safe. I like to go to the center to go draw the deer race that is pedestrian and sometimes they adorn. It's very beautiful. Besides there are several musical bands since the city is known as the musical capital of America. I also like to go to the Gorge at Garson Acoustic Chill, which is where they do most cultural concerts. I also like to go to the Stadium Manuel Murillo Bull, Bull to watch play soccer Tolima Sports since my dad took me and I like to keep going and to walk. I go to a place called Outground because it is very cool because it has swimming pools and different fun games. My city is very beautiful and cute to live. I love it. Thank you.